I was already a fan of the Phomemo series printers when I received this one, and I'm telling you, I'm so impressed. It is tiny. Look at this. It's like pocket size. It prints nice clear labels. You have the power button, and it connects via Bluetooth to your phone with a very easy to use app. You can also advance a label if you just press this button. It's very easy to load and unload the labels. You just open it from the side. It recharges, as you can see. This is my former, the one that I would use every day. And look at the difference in size. I thought this one was good and compact. This one is amazing.
Catch the stones to evolve your...
Si te quieres divertir